access the EasyCBM assessments, should your child be assigned any, for the purpose of assembling and gathering data for their IEP. So I'm going to start here with a student that I put in as a demonstration. That student, if they were trying to access their assessments, would just click on they would click on whatever initials their name come up as. In this case, we've got the initials of this demo student. But if you were to have different initials, R, D, E, L, whatever the initials might be, you would just find your initials and click that. You do the same thing under select your name here. Do not click on demo student. If you click on demo student, you will get to the tests, but it's not going to, the data is not going to go where it should be on the EasyCBM platform, so do not use that. Unfortunately, that is not something I can turn off. So you're going to want to click on your name, which is going to match your group, as you can see here. And then you're going to go click your tests. So I've got 3 tests here assigned for this demonstration. You just click it, you're going to get another button that's going to come up, it's going to say take test. And you're going to do that for all of the tests that you've been assigned. The tests can look like this. So this is one for basic reading. In this case, you're going to read the reading, and you're going to select the answer. I am just picking randomly here. I don't know what the answer is just by looking at this. I have not read through this, but you would just click next. If you don't pick an answer, it's going to tell you to pick an answer. And just to show what the other tests will look like, I need to refresh this. If it ever locks up on you, just refresh it. I'm not certain if it will remember where you were at in the test, so try to avoid refreshing the page if you don't have to. Here's what the math testing might look like. Some of these tests are going to have sound icons, and these sound icons can read out the testing for you. Not all of the EasyCBM assessments are going to have that. Just letting you know ahead of time. If you do see them, you'll see this little audio icon right here.
This is an audio example.
Math is going to look somewhat like this. Some of these questions will have read aloud functionality, so you can click the button.
Which fraction is the finger pointing to on the number line?
And in this case, you would just go through each of the questions. I don't believe the other test had like which question you're on for each page, but the math here does. And you'll just go through it until it tells you you're done. If you have any further questions, just feel free to send me a message, and I will make sure to get back to you as soon as possible. Once again, this is Mr. Robin. Thank you and have a great day.